Hello, I am Basim Mudassir from ENT section 14, group 4. I am going to explain our experiment of electromagnetic imaging and tracking. First, here we have a coil wrapped around a screwdriver. This will produce an electrical field. This is a direct application of Ampere's law, and if the voltage applied is an AC voltage, it will generate a fluctuating magnetic field. This is the first piece. The second piece is another set of coil that we will measure the voltage induced on it due to this electrical field. Okay? This is all done by using an STM microcontroller. The STM microcontroller is connected to the laptop, and we are going to measure the voltage induced in this coil without the application of the electrical field. See, the electrical field is not applied.
We see very minimal values, 2 millivolt or 3 millivolts, very minimal value.
Now we are going to apply the electrical field.
Notice the spike. It has gone from 2 millivolt, 3 millivolt to 1 millivolt, 1.6 volts, and so on. If we move the coil, we will see a different reading. See, it has gone from 0.16 to 0.17, and in theory all these changes can be used to mimic directional changes in the position of the coil.